Let us move on to first important principle of sound lending, that is safety. This is very important because when a bank gives loan or advance, that loan or advance is considered as safe only when it is repaid as per agreed terms. So bank should give loan only to those customers who has potential to repay the loan. It means that customer should be a customer who should be making profits. His business should be profitable. What do we mean by saying profitable? The profits what they generate from the business should be enough or should be able to service the loan, service interest, not only servicing the loan, servicing the interest, but you should also be able to meet the cost of the business, and after that it should also make profits. Okay, right, that's what we mean by saying profit. This repayment of loan by the borrower actually depends on two characteristics. One, capacity to pay. Two, willingness to pay. What do we mean by capacity to pay? The capacity actually depends on whether that business is successful or not, whether they are making profit or not, from that profit whether they can pay or not. That's what we call as capacity to pay. Then what is willingness to pay? This is a qualitative factor. This actually shows borrower's character, whether that borrower is willing to pay, because there are some borrower who will have money despite that they will not pay. So this willingness to pay is as equal as success of the enterprise itself. Now, how banks get their loans or advances business? It can be in two ways. One, the borrower will walk into the bank and ask for a loan. Two, the bank itself will approach the customer and say, we have various loan products, if you have any requirement, inform us. Let whatever be the way in which it is sourced, before releasing the loan money, there will be a process called appraisal. What happens in appraisal? In appraisal, the various facts and figures that are presented by the borrower will be validated, because borrower, if he needs loan, he should present various facts about his business. He should present various figures, financials, estimates, projections. All those will be validated in the process called appraisal. So this appraisal will enable the bank to know whether the facts given by or said by the customer are correct, how effectively the business is managed, whether that business is making any profit or not. Apart from that, appraisal will also showcase or establish how this proposed customer has managed his loans and other dues, whether he is repaying them on time or not, whether he is repaying them from profits or not. So all this will be established in appraisal process. But despite all this, there can be a probability that there will be some changes. Things can undergo changes or some difficulties may crop in. So at that time, banks should not suffer loss. To avoid such a kind of situation, what the bank will do? Bank will insist on some security or some collateral. Okay, so when we say appraisal process, it is not only validating the facts and figures, it also includes assessing the value of security or say collateral which are given for covering the loan. It means you have to ensure that the security or collateral adequately covers the loan exposure. So understand, appraisal is a process where you will be evaluating the past performance of the borrower. You will also check the reasonableness and correctness of future estimates, projections, cash flows and all. Nowadays, banks have many appraisal tools and their focus is more on safety of credit. Okay, they are now using more objective and detailed assessment of credit risk using tools like cash flow analysis, net present value, break even analysis, discounted cash flow analysis, credit rating and so on. So all these are done keeping dual perspective in mind, that is business risk and management risk. Business risk is something systematic in nature and we can measure that, whereas management specific risk is absolutely subjective in nature.
This video, hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.